Hello. I'm back again with another shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. I am looking at lots of new bags in the store. Let's see what they have here for us. If you don't understand me, please consider reducing your volume, okay? And enjoy what I have for you today in the store. Here I'm looking at this bag. This can be a good, this handle is short. This will not really serve as a good shoulder bag. Yeah, top handle and crossbody. This one is $34.99 by Guess. Okay, and here we have this one. Look at the color. The structure is good as well for $19.99. Interesting, not bad. Okay, and here we go. Look at this. The leather feels so good. The color combo is interesting. Vegan leather. Okay, this one is $24.99. Okay, let me see if I can grab. Yeah. And here we have this one by Nine West. Yeah, they make good bags as well. For $27.99, affordable if you ask me. Down here is this burgundy one. The leather looks expensive, but I can see this is not neatly sewn. I can see threads, and this is $19.99. Okay, look what we got here. I love this already. Let me bring this out so you see. I love the structure. The leather looks and feels so good by DKNY. This was $178. Store price for this is $49.99. Okay, it looks good. I love this. It looks really expensive. Look at this metallic one by Guess. I love the size. Store price is not on this one. Okay. Behind more bags, look at this structured one with V at the front. I don't know who they are trying to copy, but this is affordable and is a very cute bag for $19.99. Just here we have the structured top handle one. Your girl will like you for this, love you for this. This is $14.99. And here is another structured one by Steve Madden. This was $108. Today you get it for $39.99. If you are enjoying my video, please consider sharing. Share. Okay, there is love in sharing. Look what we got here. Ooh, this was $79 by Juicy Couture for $17.99. Okay, it's new in the store as well. And here we have this one by Anna Klein for $24.99. If you're interested to see what they have in the store, clothing section, I will take you to sweater section, okay? Because we are looking for I'm here for a very good sweater for the season. Keep watching, don't go away. Here, look at this. I love the color by Steve Madden. This one is $27.99. And this was $78. You get it for $27.99 today. It's a deal if you ask me. More bags. Here you will get more black bags. Look at this. I love the size. Yeah, this can fit in. You can, carry your laptop with this one. iPads. Yeah, interesting. Here we have this one. All right. Betsy Johnson. This was $68. Today you get this for $17.99. More black bags. Okay. more bags. When I said bags, more bags. If you are looking for interesting bags, designers bags at affordable rate, come to Burlington. This is by Nine West. All right, look at this one. Okay, good bags. Look, this sweat feels so good for $17.99. It's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go to clothing section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, I'm at sweater section. As I said, I'm on the hunt for a good one. Okay, let's see what they have here for us. Here, I'm looking at this. Look what we got here. This feels so heavy. Interesting turtleneck for $19.99. This one, just throw on your sweater, you're good. No, coat, you're good to go. Okay, and yeah, $19.99. Who made this? Okay, by this brand. All right, this is very light throw-on. The color is given. This is in size medium, and this was 58, and today you get it for $12.99. Interesting. Okay, look at this. Ooh, feels thick, feels heavy. In size medium by that brand. It's not popular. And this one is on sale for $14.99. Okay. And look what we got here by CK. Okay. And this one was $79. Today you get for $24.99. Turtleneck. Turtleneck. Okay. In size medium by this brand. And the store price for this is just $8.99. Interesting. And here we go. Look what we got here. All right, in size medium. And this one is on sale for $13.99. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. For $14.99. Okay. Ooh. This is so girly. What do you have to say about this? I love this one. The color is well beaded. And this is $16.99 by this brand in size medium. Look what we got here. Girly by the same brand in size medium for $19.99. Okay. Look what we got here. I love the color for $10.99 in size medium by this brand. Okay. And here we have this set. This one is, oh, yeah. Here you get gloves and sweater. Yeah, got that for $24.99. Okay. Look, I love this. This is nicely cropped. Okay, this is nicely cropped. I love this. For $19.99 with two deep front pockets. Interesting. This was $68. And today you get it for $19.99 in size medium. Interesting. Okay. All right, I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. Share, 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 share. All right, that's all you have for me. Okay, for showing you all these interesting deals in the store. And until next time, bye for now.